If you don't understand the algorithm and how to make it work for you, don't worry about it because by the end of this video you will. This is the easiest hack to understanding the algorithm. Okay, genius, let's get started. Deep breath in, long exhalation, relax, and allow the information to come to you. We all know the algorithm sucks, but did you also know the algorithm is dumb? It will only do what you tell it to do. I have been wrecking my brain for years trying to figure out the algorithm. Recently I went to bed thinking, why can't the algorithm find me? And I woke up thinking, it does not have your address. Just imagine you're a postal person and you're driving down the street and you deliver packages that are properly addressed. The others you take back to the post office and you put in the undelivered pile or return to sender. How do you get your videos out of the undelivered pile? How can you help the algorithm find you? Okay, so be patient with me for the nerdy bits for just a few minutes. I promise you, you will get the reward in the end. Anyway, I'm a writer, but I used to be a technician. And so I found to completely understand the algorithm, I had to put on my tech hat, but I also needed to simplify it for the writer side of me. As you've probably heard in other videos, the algorithm is basically a flow chart with certain conditions to be met. When certain conditions are met, your video can be delivered to your audience. For example, my channel is an adult education channel. So the flow chart might say something like, if adults 1, the algorithm will proceed with the rest of the program and will be delivered to its target audience. And the next line may say something like, if children 0, at which point that particular section of the program um, will stop and it will not be delivered to a child-related search. But the other parts of the program will continue going until it gets to its target audience. So you can think of the algorithm as a series of questions with only yes or no answers. Um, yes, you can do this, or no, you can't do that. And that's what the program is doing. It's going to continue until it gets to its target audience. The thing is, as creators, we do not have privy to the parameters in the flowchart, but we do provide the input. Figure out the algorithm. Let's make our own simple math formula. X equals A times B. In this formula, X equals the algorithm, which is always going to be an unknown. And for my channel, we'll just say A equals adult education. So no matter what topic I choose, it's always going to tie back to education in some way. And B is the variable topic or a changing topic, whatever topic I choose under the education umbrella. Okay, so let's go back to the postal analogy again. For my channel, the postal person will be driving down adult education lane because mine is an adult education channel. For this specific video, the postal person will deliver to those on adult education lane who are looking for content about the algorithm and content creation. So, you as the postal person, you're going to look at the shipping instruction. And for this specific video, it may say something like, this is an adult education video. to help content creators and people who write on the internet understand the YouTube and Google algorithms. From now on, instead of overthinking the algorithm, think of each video you create as a package you're sending out into the world. Inside this package are keywords and the things that you want the world to know. To ensure this package is delivered, you have to provide succinct shipping instructions. Consider, what is your video? What is its purpose? Who is its audience? Keep in mind this may not be an immediate solution. Content creators agree it takes at least 100 videos before the algorithm starts to acknowledge your channel. Although this is the easiest hack to understanding the algorithm, you will still have to put in the time and effort to find out how best to interact with the algorithm for your channel. This is not a one-time deal. You will also have to refine your channel's description with each and every video you make. You have to ask yourself, what do I need to tell the algorithm? Conversing with the algorithm will become even more important in the future when AI takes over, because it will only do succinctly what you asked of it. More than keywords, as you practice, you will get better and better at how to talk to the algorithm. The more you practice, the better you'll become, but I think that this video is a really good start for you. Thank you for listening. If you would like more content like this, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace and blessings to you.